From the first and most important Greek colony on the Iberian Peninsula, established 2,600 years ago, I want to share with you two of my greatest passions, history and market research. I'm in Ampurias, an hour and a half drive north of Barcelona. 2,600 years ago, the Greeks from Phoecia in modern Turkey founded Emporion, the first commercial merchant colony on the peninsula. Their presence and activity had an enormous influence on the indigenous population, the Iberians. The Iberians were the first post-Neolithic civilization to settle on the Mediterranean coast of the peninsula. Thanks to their interaction with the Etruscans, the Phoenicians, the Indo-Europeans of Central Europe, and the Greeks, they entered the Metal Age, working with copper, bronze, and finally iron. The great Mediterranean power for more than 1,000 years prepared the reception of the Greeks. The Phoenicians had already introduced new agriculture techniques and species as important as vines and olive trees and the alphabet. The Greeks took the Iberians to a higher level with new species of vines and wine culture and olive trees. They contributed with new techniques for working with pottery and, very importantly, the currency, with which a new era began in commercial exchanges and the documentation of transactions. This coexistence and exchange of knowledge was very prosperous for all parties for 5 centuries until the Romans came. And the Romans, with the Scipio brothers, entered the peninsula here through Emporion during the Second Punic Wars. The arrival of the Romans was not peaceful. They imposed themselves by force of arms, and that is when the Romanization of the Iberian Peninsula began, leaving all its cultural legacy, starting with the language which brought Iberia into the Latin world. From this rich Greek colony, history accompanies me, and with a leap in time, connects me to the Greece of today. Greece, Athens, which will host the great global meeting of market research. And it inspires me. It inspires me to think that just like 2,600 years ago, the coming together of professionals from so many different origins and backgrounds makes us better. By sharing knowledge, ideas, practices, and experiences, we will all live better prepared to face the next stage of our particular evolution in the data, insights, and market research industry. Athens will inspire us all, and I am sure it will influence the global nature of our industry. I look forward to seeing you at the beginning of September in Athens.